Forgot your Panasonic TDA PBX password? No worries, I'll show you how to reset it using only the SD card safely and easily. The Panasonic KX TDA 100 and TDA 200 are solid PBX systems, reliable for businesses everywhere. But sometimes you get locked out and that can bring everything to a halt. Here's what you'll need: access to the PBX unit, a PC, an SD card reader, and the Panasonic maintenance console software. That's it, no fancy tools required. Step 1. Power off the PBX unit. Seriously, always shut it down before touching the SD card. Then carefully remove the SD card from the system. Next, insert that SD card into your computer using a card reader. You're almost there. Open up File Explorer and head to the PBX folder. Go into KXTDA, then Config. Here you're looking for files like pwd.txt or pwd.dat. If you spot pwd.txt and it's readable, you can see the password right there. If it's encrypted or just not making sense, you can delete or rename the file to reset the password. Quick pro tip: always back up the SD card before making any changes, just in case. Now pop the SD card back into your PBX, power it on, and hook up your PC with the maintenance console. You should now be able to log in with the default credentials. Usually that's installer with the password 1234, or admin, also with 1234. Still can't get in? Check your maintenance console version. Older PBX firmware often needs matching console software. That mismatch can trip you up. And that's it. You've just recovered your Panasonic TDA password using only the SD card. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more IT tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Thanks for watching.